All right, so I found this really neat free tool that you can use with Hermes AI, or you can use with Claude or any other AI harness or an AI agent. And this tool is free to use. If you sign up, you get $100 free credit. Now, I have absolutely nothing to do with them. I'm not sponsored by them. They're not paying me anything. I stumbled upon the tool. So there are a few pros and cons to using the tool, but let me just show you this in action. So right now, this is, I said over here, Hermes, how can I help you? So I did a hello, and I'm using this free tool. So I'm using, in this case, I'm using Quen 3 Next 80 billion 3B instant. So I'll show you how to set this up with Hermes and also how to get the free credit. So first things first over here is, let me just go ahead and exit out of Hermes and just jump right back in. So with the Hermes, and this fires up the Hermes panel. And unfortunately, it's easier to set this up in the CLI, and I'm using Windows, by the way, but this will work even if you're using Linux or Ubuntu. So unfortunately, it's easier to set this up in the CLI than it is with the GUI. Now it says over here, so here's the model that we're using, and most people that watch my channel know I usually use Open Router, but now I'm not using Open Router because I got this $100 of free credit. So I'll go over here, hello, and let's see it gets a response. And let's wait a second. Okay. So I was working on a website, so I just wanted to ask me if I wanted to continue working on that site, which I will now that I have this over here. So how do I set this up and how do you get the free credit? So I'll just move my browser over here real quick and show you guys what's going on. So over here, I have this Bluesminds. So you go to api.bluesminds.com. If you go to the main website, you probably wouldn't understand what's going on. This website is apparently based in China. It's translated, so take it for what it is. It's not a great looking website. So what you would just want to do is that you just want to go over to API. Just go over here. And here's what you should do. So when you go over here, you sign up with your GitHub account. So in this case, I would recommend that you create a GitHub account. And then once you have a GitHub account, you sign up with your GitHub account. So you can just click over here where it says get a key and then sign up with GitHub. Pretty simple. Once you log in, it will take you to the dashboard. It will take you over here. All right. So just take note of this over here, which is your base URL. You'll need this when you want to set this up with Hermes or any other agent. You can see that my balance is now $99.99. I've consumed $0.01 of my tokens, which I just did on camera. By the way, I've not extensively used this, but I will be using this. You can see I've used 17,000 tokens. Now, no idea like how just doing a hello consumes 17,000 tokens, which is something I'll go into a little later. So you would go to token management over here. So once you log in, you go over here to token management and do a create a token, and you give it a name. So it can be any name, it can be any group, and then just do a submit, and it will give you something like this. To just copy your token from over here, just copy key and you start using it. Once you have the token key and you have this set up, you then go to the marketplace, which is, let's go over here, which is the model marketplace. And these are all the models that are available. Now, the one thing you want to keep in mind is that these are for some reason overpriced. So if I go to DeepSeek over here, so DeepSeek right now is they have offered a discount and now it's like super cheap. This is, I think it's like 17 cents or something per million tokens. But over here, none of these DeepSeek models, even this one over here, this is 6.7B, is like $12. So if you do a comparison, these are very expensive tokens. For some reason, they're giving this to people at a premium. So I wouldn't advise that you put money into this or you put money into this account. Use up the free credits that you get, and you can then mess around with any of these models. They've also got the Google model over here. They've got the Meta models over here as well. The Minstrel, the OpenAI. So if you want to mess around with any of these, I know people want to mess around with Anthropic, but this is an older model now. They've got the Claude Sonnet. They don't have Opus. So that's something to keep in mind. They've got Moonshot over here. So I also wanted to mess around with the Moonshot model. So I'll give Kimi 2.5K a shot. So they've got all of these models, but they're overly priced. But you're getting $100 for free. So once you have this set up, you just go back to Hermes over here. I'll just exit out of my Hermes panel. I'll do Hermes model. We do that. All right, you go down to where it says, so mine already says it Bluesminds because I set this up. So you want to do custom endpoint or add custom endpoint, which is over here. So we need number 40. So you 40, enter that in. It's now asking you for the base URL, which is the dashboard. We'll go back to our dashboard over here. We'll copy the base URL. We'll enter that in. Okay. We'll copy the API key, which is over here. Give it a second. Now you'll just ask it to auto detect. All right. So put one, auto detect. Now there's a much faster, more elegant way of doing this. But just because you want to see like all of the models that are detected. So let's just say for this instance, I want to use Kimi K 2.5, which is the one model that we talked about over here. This is a few cents for usage. Now, I don't know why the pricing for this looks super high. There's also a Moonshot right here. Let's try. In fact, let's just try Moonshot Kimi K, or just try Kimi K 2.5. This is number 90. So we'll make our selection. We'll do number 90. Enter. Now it'll tell us, ask us for a context length. Not really concerned with that. Give it the name. I will do tests of a Kimi. Okay. 2.5. Let's do that. Default is set to API Bluesminds. So now we have this set up to view Hermes. Okay. Now we've got Kimi K 2.5 set up. We can see that on the screen. Do hello. Now, as you can see, this is taking longer than my initial conversation. The reason being, the first time you do this, it usually takes a few seconds longer, up to like 10 to 20 seconds, depending also on the model. So the model takes some time to initialize. I've not seen this type of delay with Open Router, but this is definitely an issue with Bluesminds. The other thing you want to keep in mind with Bluesminds is I think they're based in China. The website looks a little sketchy, so I wouldn't necessarily sign up with my real email address or a GitHub account I really care about. So in which case, create a GitHub account. Gmail, creating a Gmail account is a hassle. So GitHub is easier to create. The other thing to keep in mind is that the models I already mentioned is overly priced. For some reason, they're like way more expensive than they should be. And the third thing I noticed was that they don't have a lot of models. So they have all the ones that most people will be interested in. So that's good. I think the focus is mostly on the Chinese models. So if you're looking to give the Chinese models a go, then these free credits are well used, even though I would say that the Chinese models are also overly priced. And models like, for instance, if you go, let's say the word unknown. So these are all the types of models that I really like. No one really knows about these. So if you want to like mess around with like Chorus of ByteDance, it's a very less known, not very well known model. The same goes for the Google Code Gemma 11B. So they have a lot of the obscure, not very popular models that are, I mean, the capability is questionable, but you might have a use case for them, and they're not very expensive because you're getting free credits. The other thing to keep in mind over here is that when you go and, for instance, you want to use Anthropic, you go over here, it says default group. So this is the input price, the completion price. But then if you go to their notification, which is the latest one, it says premium AI access 24-hour plans only, standard Sonnet for $2.50 for 24 hours, Elite Opus 4.7 for $5. Now, I don't know how to get access to this because they don't have Opus on here, and there's no way of doing this. So this is, again, if someone if someone who's watching this video knows, let me know in the comments, because I have no idea like if I can use my free credits to do this. So we come back over here, and the API called failed. So tried 3 times, it didn't work. And so in this case, this is not working. Let me try another one over here. So the API timed out. It tried 3 times, but it wasn't able to reach the server. In which case, it means that this is definitely having server issues with the file, with the model. So we'll give it another second over here, and if it still does not work, we will switch our model to another one. All right, so now it works. So it was having an issue. Now it's gone ahead and it's responded. So this is how you set up Bluesminds. You get $100 of free credit, and you start working on, you set it up with Hermes AI. So let me know in the comments below if you guys have a question. Like and subscribe as always, and I will see you in the next video.